Okay, we're going to do synthetic division. Do synthetic division, you can only do it if the letter we're dividing by doesn't have a number in front of it. In this case, it's just a plain x. To do that, we're now going to set up our little x, our little box, and we're going to use the opposite of that number. So we're going to use a -3. Then we're going to use the numbers in front of all the x. And I'm going to write x squared, x, and in a sense, x to the 0 power, or 1. So what number is in front of x squared? A 1. What number is in front of the x is a 10. And what number is in front of the x0 is a 21. So the first thing we do then is drop down the first number. So I'm going to multiply -3 times 1. So I'm multiplying. That gives me a -3. Then I add. So -3 plus 10 is 7. Then I multiply again. -3 times 7 is a -21. Then I add, and I get 0. This is the remainder. This is the x, and this is our number. So our answer is x plus 7. So we can do synthetic because that's an x. So I draw my box, I change to the opposite number, and then I put the 1, the 14, and the 45. Basically, you have to have it in order, x squared, next to the 0 power. I bring down the first number, I multiply, then I add, multiply, and add. I got a remainder of 0, and so if you have x squared, you have to have 1 less, so this will be x plus 5. So my answer is x plus 5.